What's going on, guys? It's your boy James, the Forex Prince, over here at bctrader.com, back at it with another one. Alright, today's video is going to be really simple. I'm going to be going over a few things, showing you a few things, like my custom indicators. We're going to be talking about our free signals and the profits. And we're going to also be talking about our paid signals group that's coming up. Alright, so if that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, make sure you go ahead and you pass this video to a buddy or a friend, because we're here to help everybody make some money. I'm not here to make anybody millionaires, but I'm here to help you make some money. Alright, and again, if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so let's go ahead. We're on a euro right now on the 1 hour. You can see that this is all set up. This down here, I'll open this up. This down here is called the stochastic TDI. This is the indicator I custom coded. It has a bunch of things on here that you have to take time to look at and digest. This up here is called the Super Bollinger Bands. Alright, it's set up to show you exactly what it's showing you here now. Alright, so what I want you to see is, I want to take this off the screen and I want to just show you, this is just the signals that was fired recently. Alright, you can see over here we got us a nice little buy trade. It took off, you know, and these are just pips, so I don't want to steer you wrong and stuff, but like I said, it's not 100% right, but it's accurate, guys. It's accurate, and I definitely want you guys to check it out when you get a chance. This one here is called the Super Bollinger Bands. This one here is called the Super Stochastic TDI, and it's all on the website at www.beachlytrader.com. You can check it out. The prices are there. We have, like I said, let's go into the free signals group. This is the free signals group. We send profits and signals. All right, you can see it's not much, but it's something, guys. It's something. Look, TP, we're getting money. We're helping people getting money. Trade close 50 plus pips. Look, you'd be crazy if you missed out. We secure. I'm waiting for this profit to pop up. The charts, they're showing the signals. Look, buy. Yeah, he liked that. He liked that. Yeah, shout out to you. Alright, so we got a sell trade here. This is the one I want to talk about, because this is the big boy. Alright, this is what happened. It was up here. It just had crossed the line and it fired on this candle. Alright, so we got that. And then it just started dropping, bro. This is a little poll I got here for you guys. I want you to help us figure out which pairs should I send the signals from next week. Buy and sell signals. Time frames will be whatever is chosen the most. This poll will end Sunday. So those are the pairs. Alright, that's what's up right now. And those are the time frames. Alright, so that's what's up. Let's go through there. Oh, this is that trade. Look, this is that trade. This is that same candle. It took off, man. It took off. Yeah, so that thing just took off. So I look, it's up 130 pips. We should be moving our stop losses to about 85 to 100 pips. Let the trade ride. No loss trade. Hashtag no loss trade. Hashtag no loss trading. See it? Now look. Candle just kept coming down. Just kept crashing. And yup, I gave it to you guys for free. It's crazy. You'd be crazy if you missed this. 380 pips off a sell signal. Only 12 people caught it out of look. Out of only 12 people caught it. Out of 120 members. Look. It's that buy signal. It's another poll. Make sure we got the same poll. See? Signals, they're being sent. Poll. We got it. So like I said, guys, it's something you guys interested in. Definitely check it out. Alright. Before you go, I want to give you a good tip. Just for watching the video so much and staying true to me. Alright, you want to come up here and you want to just turn off these candles, right? Sleep that. Because that's on the Bollinger Band too. That's on the Bollinger Band back there too, right? So get this. You hit that, and you want to come look up this indicator. Smooth HA candles. And it's basically the Helkanashi candles drawn over regular candles. Alright, the settings for that is, alright, you want to make sure you get what you get. Settings for that is 1 and 1. Alright, and you just come over here, you hit OK, and it makes the candles look a lot smoother. And if you know Helkanashi candles, you know which candles are real, which ones are not, which ones are fake outs, you know, all that stuff. So like I said, I just wanted to give you that for watching my videos and being here and stuff, and I really appreciate it. I build this stuff for you guys. Stayed above 50, considered green. Most people ask why I put the stochastic, because stochastic is a trend indicator. If it stays on one side for too long, it's a trend, and it lets you know what to do with the rest of the other stuff. I don't have set strategies for everything, but hey, it's here. Thank you guys. Stay blessed, and like I said, I will leave the link for the free chat and the free signals down in the description. Once you get inside, if you have any questions about Forex trading or anything, you can get in a free chat and just ask. If I don't get you, somebody else will, but I'm definitely going to respond and try to help you to my best ability. You know, I'm trying to help everybody become wealthy minded, and I'm trying to help everybody, you know, get ourselves up to no loss trading. No loss trading. Come in and take this poll. Let's pick. And then I'm going to do another poll for the premium. And then we can just choose what we're going to do. You can access the premiums in here. I'll release the link and everything tomorrow night. And we'll be able to join up. It's going to be a free trial. It's going to be not a free trial, but it's going to be a trial version before you can get deep into it. If you see if you like the signals or not. And then, like I said, guys, if there's something you're interested in, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching the video, man. Stay blessed.